Hi, Dr. Lindsey here. This is an almost 5-year update on 2 FUE cases on an Asian man. So if you watch enough of my videos, you'll see that I definitely prefer strip over FUE because it works better, costs less for the patient, works better, and leaves more hair for the future in case you need a second or third or fourth hair transplant. But some people would be a better choice for FUE. Somebody needs a short haircut, needs a finite amount of hair, has decent hair to work with, and has a history of bad scarring. So a finite amount of hair for me means about 2,000 grafts or less. Once I see people getting FUE cases done that are more than 2,000 grafts, I see they fall into a couple categories. One, they got scammed completely, meaning that maybe 3,000 holes were made in the back of their head, but 3,000 grafts weren't pulled out. They're completely donor depleted. Here's a great example of one. Or it only worked about halfway and we need to tune them up either with another FUE or a strip case. I've got plenty of videos that show this. So anyhow, this fellow came in and he's a 40-ish-year-old Asian guy who has relatively thick Asian hair. And the advantage for him is that if you have thick, straight black hair coming out of very fine, very fair skin, it's pretty easy for the doctor and the tech to make the hole over top of the hair shaft and go straight into the skin and then pull that graft out successfully. So he came in and we did one side of him 54 months ago. So what's that? 4.5 years ago. And we did about 1,000 grafts, and I think he's in another video at some point way back, and so here he is at the end of the case, and then here he is at a year or so, and he looked fine. And then about a year ago now, he came back in, and the left side still looked good, and he had thinned on the opposite side, and so we did essentially the same thing, another 1,000 grafts. So I think we put 2,000, maybe 2,100 FUEs in him, and here he is at 1 year out from his second case, and 4.5 to 5 years out from his first case. And that looks unremarkable. And genetically, he feels like he's unlikely to lose significantly more hair. Here's a close-up of the back of his head with a fairly short haircut. I don't see any FUE scars visible, nor any mangy areas from over-harvesting. And so in summary, yeah, we definitely do FUEs. I'm just finicky about who we offer it to so that patients make the right choice and that they save hair for the future, get the biggest bang for the buck, and have an unremarkable and aesthetically pleasing result. If we can help you, give us a call. Thank you.